Your epigenome is the set of chemical tags, like methyl groups, that sit on top of your DNA and dictate which genes are turned on and which are turned off. As you live your life, environmental factors, stress, poor diet, and toxins cause these chemical tags to shift, turning off protective survival genes and turning on inflammatory, age-promoting genes. This shifting pattern is so predictable that scientists can measure your exact biological age, which is often very different from your chronological age, by analyzing your DNA methylation patterns. When scientists sequence the epigenome of centenarians, they discover a profound phenomenon. Even though these individuals are chronologically 100 years old, their epigenetic clocks often show a biological age that is decades younger. Their cells have maintained the pristine genetic programming of youth, keeping harmful genes silenced and protective genes active. They have naturally preserved their genomic stability against the chaotic degradation of the environment. You might think this genetic fortune is entirely out of your reach, a biological lottery won only by a select few. But modern epigenetics has proven that while genetics load the gun, environment pulls the trigger. Up to 80% of your lifespan is determined not by your inherited DNA sequence, but by your epigenetic expression, meaning you have direct power over how your cells age. By understanding the science of centenarians, you can begin to trigger these exact cellular defense mechanisms in your own body right now. You can stimulate autophagy and clear away zombie cells by introducing controlled molecular stressors, a concept known as hormesis. Fasting, intense physical exercise, and exposure to deliberate cold and heat stress all send a biological signal to your cells that resources are scarce. This signal instantly shuts down the growth-promoting mTOR pathway and activates AMPK and sirtuins, forcing your cells to stop growing, turn inward, and begin the deep cellular cleaning process of autophagy and mitophagy. You can protect your telomeres and preserve your epigenetic clock by reducing chronic oxidative stress through a nutrient-dense diet rich in polyphenols, prioritizing deep, restorative sleep, which is when your brain activates its glymphatic system to clear away metabolic waste, and managing chronic psychological stress, which has been clinically proven to accelerate telomere shortening. The secret of the 100-year-old cell is not that it is immortal, it is that it is incredibly resilient, highly adaptable, and masterfully maintained. By optimizing your daily habits to align with these cellular defense pathways, you can slow down your internal biological clock and protect your genomic integrity. Subscribe to BioPulse Tech and share this video with someone who wants to unlock their biological potential. Let us know in the comments which longevity habit you are starting today. Upgrade your biology.